Namaste, dear friends. It is so happy to be with you again. I so love sharing my learning with all of you. Yes, my biggest learning was if I am rendered flat, how will I take care of my clients, my patients? What will happen to them? So, maybe on an intuition, I had prepared 3 courses before Corona visited. Maybe Corona wanted me to do it. All my knowledge of how to handle basic illnesses, what herbal teas to take, what herbal paste to take, what inhalations to take, what essential oil blends to make, what homeopathic medicines to take, all of that, what I did for myself during the Corona time, all of that in handling different kinds of common illnesses, I've put it down in a course and I've put it there for you to sign in and learn. I really don't know what's holding you back. We take courses in cooking, we take courses in knitting, we take courses in cooking because we want to cook the best food for our family. We take courses in knitting because we want to make the best cardigans for our family. Why don't we want to learn how to handle our family's health? Why don't we want to learn how to take care of our family in simple illnesses? What's holding us back? Our reliance on doctors? Let me give you an example. Yesterday, I consulted this patient who had gone for a short holiday to an island destination. In the night, she was hurrying to a restaurant, fell flat on her face, bruised herself badly. But there was not a single doctor on the island because it was a Saturday evening. She came back to the hotel. There was no doctor on call. There was only a first aid kit. She said the bruises were so bad she couldn't even look at it. She panicked. What was she to do? How I wish she would have signed in for this course. She would have known what medicines, what herbal teas, what other things she should carry with her just in case of the emergency. Let me give you another example. Recently, a little patient of mine, a cute 4-year-old, climbed on a circulating table of glass. Children love climbing, and they love climbing at night when all doctors are closed. And of course, he fell down, the glass broke and hit him here. There was blood streaming out. His parents panicked. They rushed him to the nearest hospital. After a long wait in the hospital, and he having inhaled all kinds of pathogens, the doctor said it's not that big a gash. They just put some glue and sent him home. Now, had the mother signed in for the course, she would have known how to handle it. Then again, another patient went for this mountain trek and started throwing up and had loosies. Now, up in the mountain, which doctor was going to come? How I wish she knew exactly what to do. Your doctor can't be with you everywhere and anywhere. And your doctor is a human too. He or she may fall sick, may go for a vacation, or just may not be available due to XYZ reasons. Why not you learn how to handle your basic illnesses yourself? Didn't your grandmothers and mothers do it too? Well, take the onus of your health in your hands. I'm going to share my link in the bio. Believe me, it is my way of spreading good health and giving the reins of your health, the key to your health in your hands. Please, I'm urging you, learn how to handle your own illnesses yourself. It's going to benefit you, your family, your helper. You can even advise to your family out there where there are no doctors. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Love all of you.